Hi, Dr. Scott here. Today I am going to answer some questions about chiropractic and upper back pain. What causes upper back pain? Most upper back pain is caused by poor posture, muscle tension, or spinal misalignment, especially from long hours sitting or looking down at screens. Can chiropractic care really help upper back pain? Yes. Chiropractic adjustments improve spinal motion, reduce nerve irritation, and relax tight muscles, helping restore normal movement and relieve pain naturally. How is upper back pain different from lower back pain? The upper back, thoracic spine, is less flexible than the lower back, making it more prone to stiffness and tension rather than disc-related pain. Is chiropractic care safe for upper back pain? Absolutely. Chiropractic care is gentle, drug-free, and customized to your needs. Most patients find relief and improved posture within a few visits. How can I prevent upper back pain from coming back? Regular chiropractic care, good posture, stretching, and ergonomic work habits all help maintain spinal balance and prevent recurrence. This is Dr. Scott, and thanks for listening. If you need more information, contact my office at 757-363-8571.